Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your Instagram account from personal to business. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools under the For Professionals section. Next, tap Switch to Professional Account. Choose the category that best describes your account, then tap Business when asked what type of professional account you want. Tap Next to continue. Instagram will give you the option to connect to a Facebook page. You can either connect one or skip this step. After that, you can go through the suggested setup steps or simply tap the X in the top right to exit. And that's it. Now you know how to switch your Instagram account to a business account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.